Does Remitly transfers work during weekends? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to answer you, does Remitly transfers work during weekends? So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Remitly is a popular money transfer service used by many to send funds internationally. One common question that users have is whether Remitly transfers work during weekends or not. So the answer is yes, Remitly transfers can work during weekends. However, the actual availability of funds depends on the transfer method and the recipient's bank processing times. Basically, Remitly operates 24/7, allowing users to initiate transfers at any time and offers flexible transfer options that can work over the weekend. That's all for this video.